so as to maximize space. Are you getting this now? Yes. In fact, it's very wonderful. Today they are going to do tapping. If you are here, you will love to. In fact, you won't want to do. What we have seen here is the underground, where most of the equipment are. Are you getting me now? Now, the sand that is used for molding here, we have the Muller mixers there. We have about 6 Muller mixers over there. You understand? So each one is about 30 tons capacity. So that by the time you finish with that, this conveyor belt will bring the sand, the prepared sand. And when it comes, if you go into the bunker, we have bunkers where we store them up. Before it gets to the bunker, it passes through the aerator. What the aerator does is that it will not allow clay balls to form. You know, when you do molding, for instance, when you get what we call clay balls, in your sand idea, you are not supposed to pass long. So when you pass it through that, it will now loosen it and you store them in your bunker. So for continuous use. You can do machine molding. We have bigger machine molding. Yeah, when you have things to produce a very large quantity and you want to mass produce, you use it. Okay? You can see the bunkers there for sand. Anyone you tap on, it will bring out the sand. The sand slinger is there. Can bring the sand to whatever level you want it. Then you also imagine why this place is not flawed. Yes. Right? Yes, it is not flawed because one, we do most of the castings here. When multi-metal falls on it, of course, it's not expected, it will splash back. Then also you can see that they are doing floor molding around here. Yeah. Because most times we do floor molding. That place there you are seeing, when you have molded and you have cast, you will put the whole lot here, you understand, and knock it off. The sand will even be reclaimed again from the ground for further usage. Okay. You can see that we have different types of mold boxes. In fact, in large numbers. And over there, you have the core drying unit. When you produce your core, this one you are seeing here is releasing quality or for drying your mold. No matter how big your mold is, you dry it inside here, it uses natural gas.
We are going now.
We are telling
why we are going.
Yes.
We are doing some of the castings in this pit. Very large castings. Okay. Yeah, this one, in fact, we are using
Very large castings are done here in this pit.
This was the mold box we used for producing it. What is this one? Okay, these ones are dead weights.
Dead weights.
Most of these ship, these are maritimes, were used for anchoring. And sometimes some people can also use it to calibrate their, how do I call it, wave bridges.
Oh, sure.
This one too, we did it for, I think, a Warren port. Then we did up to about 50 of it then for them. So we came up with an idea of how we can come up with it, you know, without necessarily going through producing pattern and start doing this. So we just okay, the furnaces. Well, since they are little like this is electrical furnace. Okay. The other one here is they use 3 electrodes.
Electrical furnace.
Just like liking to how you do welding. Okay. Once these electrodes have contact with the charge, right? It ignites. And they do it intermittently, not all touching it at the same time. You can see that you drive it outside, you control it. The control system is here. You just drive it outside, it comes out and you charge it, and then you drive it back inside.
Electric furnace.
And you insert your electrodes. Inside your electrodes. The electrodes are not here. Let's go. Let's go. They will come.
Yes, so. Metallurgy, really like this, you.